Alright, now that I've found my vertical asymptotes and holes, now we got to go after the horizontal asymptotes. So, in order to do that, the first thing I need to know is the degree of P and the degree of Q. P is the polynomial in the numerator, Q is the polynomial in the denominator. And when I talk about the degree of the polynomials, we're looking for the greatest exponents in each polynomial. So if it's in standard form, it should be the first term in each polynomial. So in this case, the degree of P is 2. The degree of Q is also 2. So we also have to talk about a few rules. So when we're identifying horizontal asymptotes, if P is less than Q, then my horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. If P is greater than Q, then I have no horizontal asymptotes. Now, if P is equal to Q, we have to do one slight calculation. So we're going to find the horizontal asymptote by dividing the lead coefficients, A divided by B. Now, the A is the lead coefficient of the P polynomial. B is the lead coefficient of the Q polynomial. So the lead coefficient, if I look at the first term again, so we're the x squareds, and I look at the coefficient on each. So the lead coefficient of P is 1 because there's understood to be a 1 before that x squared. So in this case, we have y is equal to 1 over, and then I look at the lead coefficient on the Q polynomial. It is also 1. So we have y is 1 divided by 1. So my horizontal asymptote is 1 over 1, or y is equal to positive 1.